We actually have a possible 2-bar sell pattern here, however, in the NASDAQ. So let's go ahead and put that on the board. So, you know, a negative here to this 2-bar sell pattern in the NASDAQ. Two negatives that I see. Number one is we're before the open, so we may not get too much follow through anytime soon. You can see both the NASDAQ and the Russell are moving very slowly right now. So you just have to know that going into the trade, and don't get involved in it if it's not something you're willing to accept. That's number one. Number two, we do have a DPTL, a minor DPTL here right at the pivot low. Not ideal. You know, we're going to have to break through that. Okay, so we're heading in the right direction here. Again, we can't really anticipate this moving too quickly. You know, a lot of the trades we get into, we expect or hope that, you know, we'll get our answer, our reward pretty quickly. And just not really the case in this scenario. So, but I knew it going in. You know, we knew what we were getting involved with in executing a trade that occurred during the pre-market like this. Some of your trading plans will definitely be written in such a way that, you know, you will not trade the stock index futures when they're moving real slow and sluggish like this, and that's, you know, that's completely valid. But this is a combination of a black line cross signal and a 2-bar pattern. Really does have some value, so we'll see what ends up happening here. Oh, the bummer is I'm focusing on this NASDAQ trade and let a quick, easy winner in crude oil get away from me. So that's certainly one of the downers when you get involved in a little bit slower moving market. And my apologies there, because that was a quick, easy action line sloping on the signal itself, minor double top. Downside divergence, boom, another quick winner for crude oil. Has been kicking butt, looking really good. So kind of unfortunate. I tried to add on to the trade, in which case if I had got that add-on, I would have already taken a 5-tick target off the table from the add-on. But we didn't get filled on that. Got a little bit unlucky there because it did trade at my add-on price. So come on, break down below this DPTL here and get the job done. It's a big important reality to, you know, really know what you're getting yourself into so that you can, you know, emotionally prepare for it. And before this trade got entered, I tried to make it clear that this will be a slow moving one. If it had occurred after the stock index futures had opened, you know, then we'd have the very real potential of it moving a little bit faster for us. I'm disappointed I did not get that fill on the average in, because then we'd already have nice profit off the table. We'd have a lot less stress, you know, less skin in the game and less stress because we'd have a 5-tick target in the bag. So we just got a little bit unlucky not getting filled there. But we're moving in the right direction here. Come on, keep creeping. Keep creeping. It's trying. I might lock my stop up break even here, guys. I'm going to do that. So we're either going to take a win or a break even on this trade now, since we're trading at target. We're going to take a win or a break even. turning my attention over to the crude oil here, we actually have a possible 2-bar pattern short in crude. Possible 2-bar pattern short in crude. I'm going to put that on the board here, guys. Okay, so we're going to have to split our attention here a little bit. Looks like we're going to get our fill in crude here. Oh, it jumped my order. Did not fill me. Looks like we still might get it. Oh, you got to be kidding me. So, did any of you guys get a fill? I got a winner in the NASDAQ.